Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here's a little tour. So, I'll move this out of the way real quick. That's my portable power station. So this is what I have right now. I got fridge, EcoFlow Glacier on a pull-out slide. I can pull it all the way out, obviously. Access what I need. If I ever wanted ice, I could get ice here, but I don't. And then I got meals ready to eat. Those are just the quick ones. If we don't feel like cooking, we get to camp late at night. Have some drawers here. Spices and fire. I got spices and fire. It's all pretty. I got tahini too, because gotta have tahini. It's all pretty easy. I got kitchen utensils there. Toiletry, like your dude wipes. Shampoo, Life Straw, butt paste, same thing here and there. Nice thing about this drawer is I can actually pull these out too. So I got batteries and power. So we got double A's, air mattress stuff, seam grip, and yeah, just pretty much batteries and power. Anything to be able to run anything I got back here anyway. Any of our headlamps, flashlights. Then in here, still working on this. It's kind of wide. Not going to be the end all be all storage for it. Got the Gerber complete. So that's what it looks like out of the bag. Comes with a little steam top here. Move this a little bit farther. There we go. We got second flat top here. We got 4 bowls with, if I can find them here. There we go. You got measurements on them. You got your 4 plates that come with it. Nice. Big mixing bowl. And you got your nice boiling pot. And then on the bottom, you get your nice pan. And you got your nice handle here. And this actually comes off. See if I can do it in one try here. There we go. So you actually push this, twist the handle, and push down. And it comes right off. And this is what it looks like when it's all closed up. It goes in the bag just like this. So everything stacks on top of each other like so. It's great. It's got pretty much all my cooking, everything else right here. Love that. Next, we got quick cooking stuff, jet boil, slap chop, some dish soap back here. And I always keep them in a plastic baggie because they really like to leak, even though it says no flip, no mess. Just to make sure. Then I have coffee grinder, pour over, a couple cups, and a measuring cup. Moving on to here, got the Coleman, I want to say 222. Now that is hooked up here to a hose that goes up and back around to an Ignic 5-pound. Not the permanent placement right now, it just kind of sits in between the two. But it's pretty sturdy where it's at. Moving over, we have the Dometic faucet ran on an extra long hose that is not permanent, but it's nice to have that extra hose because you only get up to about here with the old one. Now, my tank is actually way back here, and it runs that hose up and around. Through here, I have it connected through an elbow, and then coming all the way up over here. This is really nice, because I get water. And just tap it, stop,